Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Roni Vlogs. If you haven't heard about me, my name is Deepak Kumar and I am in 12th grade. And as an athlete, I needed an shoe which was under my budget, and this was the only one which I could get on Amazon. And this is the Abros running Abros Hyperbeats under 1400 rupees, and this shoes has completed its 1 month with me, so congratulations clap for this one. And you can see its condition under 1 month what it has turned to. So it has become quite dirty, it has become very dirty, and I haven't washed it before making the video, so it's my carelessness. Alright, forget about it. I was here to introduce myself and to review my shoes. This shoes has completed 1 month with us, so congratulations, the claps has been done for it. And see its मतलब इसके पैर देखो कैसे हो चुके हैं. Okay, so this is our Abros. Okay, so this is our Abros Hyper Beats, which you can get on Amazon under 1400 rupees, and this shoes has completed its 1 month with me, and I am going to share my experience today, what this shoes has given to me, which this shoes has given to me under this month. So let me start from the beginning. When I had bought these shoes, so I was quite unhappy because under 1400 rupees you can't get a good running shoes, and all the children were not like that. मतलब कि मजाक ही बन रहा था कि 1400 रुपये में भाई रनिंग का जूता कौन सा आने लग गया. अब वो बात अलग है कि they could get their shoes under 80 rupees from the Chandni Chowk or Chor Bazaar, but these are the original Abros Hyperbeats which were available on Amazon. And look at its condition first, how much it has turned under 1 month, and of course I haven't washed it even one time, so it is my fault that it has become dirty. But dirtiness, it's not its review. I am going to share my experience, so let's come on the experience first. I can feel while running, I can feel the shocks, मतलब the shocks absorber which are means the shock absorbers which are present in all the running shoes except Sparks. I am not saying that Sparks shoes are not good, but I can feel the difference in Abros and then the Sparks which were with me in the previous year. So I can say that the shock absorbers of these shoes are working quite good, and it is a good shoe to make it run. So it is a good shoe to running on the मतलब mud पे भी, on the mud and on the road. So I was saying that this is a good shoe to run on the mud and as well as on the road. Means the shock absorbers which are present in it are working quite good, and you can also feel the shocks being absorbed while running. So it is a good shoe to make it run on. So it is a good shoe to run on mud and on the road. They are disturbing me. Please tell them that I am making a video. Get out of here. And yes, let's talk about the upper cover of this shoe. मतलब कि ये जो कपड़ा है इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. देखो मैं I do not give daily the reviews of things, so I am not good in it, but I am trying to give my best experience and trying to say all my experience with my words without any script. So please appreciate it by clicking the like button and doing subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, give me appreciation by doing a subscribe and a like and leaving a प्यारा सा comment. So I was on the review of this shoe. Let's take a look inside it. मतलब इसके अंदर का एक बारी लुक देख लो. अंदर से ये पूरा it has turned black, और ये black कैसे हो गया? भारी भारी जूता पहनते रहो अगर एक ही सेम जुराब से, तो फिर अंदर की मतलब कि मेरे को जूते के पार्ट्स के नाम नहीं पता है कौन से पार्ट्स को क्या बोला जाता है. Okay, so leave everything. I am going to review the shoe with the camera in my hand because I had a problem in fixing it there and making the video. I am going to take the shoe in my one hand and the mobile in the other, and let's leave everything. I am going to give a quick review of it. I have not got even a single pain in this month, and as the days will pass, I will tell you about each and everything of these shoes because that's my content. Leave that. I am saying that this shoe is good one because it is a budget friendly, and Of course, you can get on Amazon under 1400 or also under 1000 if there's a offer. So मतलब कि रनिंग वनिंग करने के लिए बढ़िया जूता आएगा यार, बजट फ्रेंडली भी आएगा और रनिंग में भी अच्छा चलता है, पैर और बिल्कुल भी नहीं दुखता है इसको पहन के भगोगे तो। और बाकी देखो एक प्रॉब्लम आएगी कि थोड़ा सा ना इस तरफ को झुक जाता है, मतलब इस तरफ को स्लाइड कर जाता है ऊपर से, तो ये एक थोड़ी सी दिक्कत है कि थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है बस पहने पहने। अब वो इस वजह से तो नहीं होता कि मेरे पास फ्लैट फुट आएगा। अब फ्लैट फुट की गलती तो नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे इस तरफ कोई झुक जाता है। और बाकी रिव्यू अगर तुम किसी का देखोगे तो वो भी यही बताते हैं कि दिस गेट स्लाइडेड टू दिस साइड, सो दिस अपर पार्ट ऑफ द शूज गेट स्लाइडेड टू दिस साइड, सो इट विल फील लाइक दिस फ्रॉम द फ्रंट side view whenever you will walk or run with it, but it's not a major problem. It is a good in shock absorption and it is also good to make a run on road or on mud. So review में देखो मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि बढ़िया जूता आएगा, अगर लेना चाहते हो तो ले सकते हो, कमेंट में लिंक लगा दूंगा, या फिर अपना किसी आस पड़ोस की दुकान से ले लेना कोई बढ़िया सा। लेकिन हाँ इतना ज़रूर कहूँगा कि डू नॉट बाय Sparx 1 because they are not good quite at all. I can say only this for Sparx. Make your running shoes are quite better